I'm your host, Skip Filbertson, along with my good pal, Wilby.
Hi!
And we're about to see the results of what I have to say is my favorite challenge, breakfast.
It's the most important meal of the day.
That's right, Wilby. And that's why we've got a true connoisseur to judge this challenge, Michael Flavin.
Breakfast is the only meal I truly care about. It's the reason I get up in the morning.
Well, it's time to find out whether our contestants' breakfast creations are good enough to get Michael out of bed. Starting with this delicious-looking Swiss asparagus omelet.
Asparagus is a rare and delightful way to start the day, even though it makes my pee smell funny. This looks fantastic. Great presentation. The way you've arranged the parsley garnish, it's like a pastoral scene or something. It's very good, as omelets go. But I have to admit, I actually feel a little bit weird about the pee thing. It's like, what's happening to me? Next! Interesting. I wonder if this is gonna taste as good as it looks. This is the best thing I've put in my mouth in years. The texture, the flavors, the milk. Is that 2%? I feel like if I had this for breakfast every day, my life would be significantly better in every way. No kidding. So, do we announce the winner now, or what happens with that?
That's right, Michael. In just a moment, we'll reveal the winner. Right after this.
Look, I know you're hurting now, but if you get back out there, you'll get over it faster. Give me that. Give me 10 minutes, and I'll get you a pile of dates. Okay, you've got 5 dates next week. Get ready to see what you've been missing.
Me out with a pineapple. No.
I think I love you.
Okay, that's not really. Nope, not that.
So, tell me everything. You're welcome.
That is not my date. No.
What's better than breakfast? Breakfast with friends. There's nothing like the taste of social acceptance. Nothing except friendos.
Welcome back. It's time to announce the winner of Celebrity Taste Test, who will be rewarded with our most amazing prize ever, an all-expense-paid trip to the moon. Michael, could you please tell us which dish is the better breakfast?
Well, I love a good omelet, but I have to say, next to a cool, crisp bowl of Friendos, it's basically garbage. I gotta give it to Friendos.
You're going to the moon! Celebrity Taste Test was taped in front of a live studio audience, brought to you by Friendos Cereal. Friendos. 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 Friendos.
Previously on Bitmoji TV.
Welcome back to America's Best Bitmoji. I'm your host, Host Boss. Let's say howdy to our panel of celebrity judges. Randy Jackson.
Howdy.
Veronica Lakeshore.
How do?
And our special guest host, Sir Nigel Hilborough.
I'm not here to make friends. Let's get on with it.
Yes, let's get on with it. It's been a fierce competition. We're down to our final 3 contestants. Who will be eliminated? And who will be crowned America's Best Bitmoji?
Who cares? The American people, that's who. You gotta chill, dog.
He's more like a hot dog.
What am I doing? My agent is so fired.
Beat it! Get out of here, you stupid rat!
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
And we're back with our semi-final freestyle round. Who can show us the best way to say the best thing there is to say, I love you.
Yo, I feel the love, but I also feel like I want to slap this bear.
I just threw up in my mouth a little.
Adorable. Reminds me of a teddy I knew once.
Next contestant.
I don't think that was the challenge exactly, but I do love pizza.
Who doesn't love pizza? This really speaks to me.
This demonstrates blatant disregard for the sanctity of this competition, but I don't care, so I will allow it.
And our final contestant.
Wow.
Damn,
I'm not
that's
gonna lie.
amazing.
This is exactly what I wanted to see. It's like you read my mind. Wait a minute. Are you reading my mind?
This makes me sad, giddy, and sleepy all at once. Breathtaking.
Why is this Sasquatch staring at me? It's making me very uncomfortable.
And now it is time for one of our contestants to be eliminated. I have been calculating our judges' excitement levels via neural implants.
What?
Which will be used to determine who will stay on to the next round and who will be released into the eternal bliss of nothingness. The contestant that is not moving to the next round is...
Swimsuit season is coming. What are you gonna do to get your beach body bumping? If you want to get buff fast, you need the RBX system now. Our patented Rabbit Badger technology uses your own adrenaline to push you to maximum exertion instantly. And when you need to take it to the extreme, all you gotta do is juice that badger up.
You are eliminated. Now for the final challenge. Who will be crowned America's Best Bitmoji by presenting the best version of whatever?
This is going to be good.
I love whatever. It's so timely.
This is the final round, yes? I'm already late for dinner.
Wow. Talk about trying too hard.
This amount of effort disgusts me. I'm disgusted.
Next.
Yep, that's so mean.
Just speechless.
This is what the show is all about. The best of the best.
I have never seen a more elegant display of utter brilliance. Bravo, Fred. Bravo.
And that decides it. We have found America's Best
Bitmoji.